Hi everyone, in this video we will be activating Microsoft Office 19. First, ensure you are connected to the internet. Then you right click on the mouse, locate Activate Windows Office, click on it. Notice the command prompt tab opens for online KMS activation. So we wait while the process begins. Windows activation is off because the Windows is already activated. So we wait for the process of activating Office 19. Product activation successful. Remaining period 180 days. So after 180 days, you will need to reactivate the Office 19 as well as the Windows if Windows is not activated. And so this is the easy way to activate our Office 19 using online KMS activation. Thanks for watching. For more videos, do like and remember to subscribe.